It's playoff season and the Bucks are in. What better way to celebrate than with a cocktail? Now, I've been in the kitchen working on several drinks for the upcoming playoffs and for the big game, so you don't want to miss those. But let's start with the one I got for Monday night's game, and I call it the Fire the Cannons. That's right, specially designed for our Buccaneers. You're going to want high proof bourbon. I'm using Old Forester Prohibition style. This is a 115 proof bourbon. You want that kick. Why else would I call it Fire the Cannons if it's not going to have a punch, right? Fireball, cranberry juice. That's what you're going to need. All right? So let's get started. Okay, first things first, let's get a cherry into our shaker glass. You want to press it, not muddle it, just press it so you can kind of split it open. All right, next, 2 ounces of your high proof bourbon, 2 ounces of cranberry juice, and a ½ ounce of Fireball. Let's add a glass to our shaker. Great thing about this cocktail, no need to strain, you're gonna throw it right into the glass. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. I gotta work on that. Like I said, you're just gonna dump it right into glass. Ah, look at that. And there you have it. Fire the cannons. Let's go, Bucks. That's nice. You get that foolproof bourbon. Again, it's a balanced drink, and I'm authorized to say that. This is a balanced drink. That cranberry juice really balances out that high proof bourbon. And then you got just the right amount of Fireball. I started with 1 ounce, and it was just too overpowering. Knocked it down by a ½ ounce, and it's just right where you get that cinnamon pop, but it's not overpowering the drink. So this is well balanced. This is a good drink. Cheers. Go Bucks.